Hey guys, another one for my collection. Actually, it's smoke alarm. Actually, well, apparently, so this used to be on a ceiling. On a ceiling, that light. It's annoying. Yeah, it used to be on the ceiling in the kitchen. It always goes off. Here's the horn, and that's the button, and that's the blink. However, I had to turn it off because this protector one, is not like 9-volt replaceable battery. So right here is where you deactivate it instead of activate it. So I did deactivate it so it won't make noise, because if I activate it, the sound's gonna keep beeping, so it's gonna be really annoying. This protector one is made by First Alert, which I think First Alert is common in homes. And this thing is old. It's 10 years old. It's 2015, July 15th. Jeez. That was the day after my birthday, actually. The model number of this is P12110. Or P1210. Of this alarm, if you want it. This one, particular one made in Mexico. Kind of like my System Sensor SR. This one is also made in Mexico. So I have two of these are made in Mexico and two of these are made in China, I think. But yeah, so maybe one day I'll try to activate it back again and maybe do a future system test with it. I don't know. But it has this trim, by the way. It's trim. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.